Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is the 2021 Kawasaki Vulcan. That's what it is. I haven't seen the Vulcan badging anywhere on the bike, which is really funny because the earlier one used to come and I don't see that anymore. So this bike is a really cool matte grey color, as you can see. I really like this shade. It's matte grey and it looks really good on this bike. I think after matte black, I really like this color. Why? Because they've given red accents everywhere, and it's very important when the bike is a plain color that you have some sort of color elements on it. So yeah, this has, you've got on the rims, you've got a red stickering, you've got red stickering pretty much everywhere to kind of highlight or give you some color on the grey. So we're going to be starting off with the decontamination of this bike. We're going to be decontaminating pretty much every part of this bike, including the chain, your alloys, every single part of the bike will be decontaminated. So let's get started with that. So as you can see, this part of the bike, dirt has gone into pretty much every part of the bike, and we need to decontaminate the entire thing. So we literally go into every single part of the bike to clean it off, because it's not really detailed until you go into all the details and you clean it from the inside. We pretty much go into all the details of the bike and we decontaminate every single part of the bike so that each and every surface is cleaned before we put on anything onto it. And that's very, very important, because if you don't clean each and every small surface, well, that's not really detailing, is it now? The next process that we need to do is to clear the paint, because even when it comes in from the factory, there is contamination on the entire paint, on all the paint surfaces actually, so it needs to be completely cleared. We're using a clear towel right now to take off all the contamination from the paint, because if contamination nahi nikaloge, so you can't really work or do anything on the paint. So this is a very, very important process. This towel, basically what it does is it kind of takes off everything on the paint. It's very sticky, so it pulls off all the contamination from the paint. If you don't do this process, all the other processes after this get hampered, because the paint doesn't really get cleaned at all. Right now we have a lot of contamination on the pipes, and this, by the way, is tar that comes flying off the road, so we're going to be removing the tar as well. You have to scrub it off and you have to take it off during the washing process. This, by the way, looks really bad, and after decontaminating the pipes are going to look brand new, even better than new, by the way. So basically what this process is doing is kind of loosening the entire tar, and we have to scrub off the tar because tar really sticks onto the pipes. So what we're doing right now is scraping off the tar slowly. Takes a little effort, but the solution kind of makes it easier for the tar to come off. You keep scraping off like this, it'll take a lot of time. This solution really loosens the tar, remover, and once that's done, it pretty much comes off. So as you can see, the entire thing has got clean and the tar has come off. This is the next day. Sorry for the change of scene. This, by the way, is our new ceramic lab that we have, and we do all our ceramic coatings here. So completely closed space. That's what you need when you're doing ceramic coating or any sort of detailed work. You need a closed space, and that's what we've got. We'll be putting on the first layer of ceramic coating and also doing our metal polish. So we're doing the metal polish to all the metal parts. As you can see, we're going to be polishing each and every part of that and putting on our matte ceramic coating onto the bike. We're polishing off all the metal parts on the bike before we start our ceramic coating process. See, this is the snake polishing machine that we have. This we use to kind of polish all the areas that you see, all the fine areas. We use this machine to polish off those. So this is what we put. We put metal polish onto our pad, and that's what we kind of use to polish out all these parts. So what you saw right now is the metal polishing that we've done to all the metal or chrome parts where the main machine cannot reach. So we use this machine to kind of get the shine in all those parts, and that is completely required, because if you're doing the whole bike, you need to get into literally every single small detail. That's when you really enjoy the shine of the bike, and yeah, the overall bike looks really good. stages of ceramic coating. We've already done one layer. This is going to be the second layer of ceramic coat that's going to be going on to the paint. So I'm going to show you that. So this is our second layer of the matte ceramic coating that we're going to be putting onto the bike. So as you can see, it spreads throughout the paint. You have to evenly distribute it on the paint so that there is even coverage on the entire painted surface so that it protects it. Matte paint really needs protection, and it also provides that hydrophobic effect from acid rain. So this is somewhat like the glass cover you put onto your phone to protect the phone screen. This could be compared to that. With the entire ceramic process, we let the bike the coat settle down in the paint, and we also cure it with the infrared light, so there's better bonding process of the ceramic with the paint. So that's what we're going to be doing next, and then after we just cover the bike and we leave it overnight. So this is the infrared light we use for curing, and it produces a lot of heat and has a huge coverage of the area. This basically helps the ceramic to bond with the paint a lot better. This is the spot infrared, and this helps with the bonding process and it makes it faster. So basically we keep it on each spot for about 2-3 minutes based on which part we're doing, and this, if done properly, will help it bond a lot better with the paint.